Hello, I'm Skylar from Airkey. Today I will show you this IS6 compounding modular clean room. You can see this high window design use double layer tempered glass, provide a bright and professional workspace. Here is the control panel. You can adjust the FFU speed here, turn on and off the LED light here. Follow me, we go inside, take a look. Here is the changing room. This one is electrical box. Everything is pre-wired for our modular clean room. Let's step in the main clean room. Here will be installed a pass box. We use fire-rated sandwich panels and high-strength aluminum frame. And you can see the wall panel, no Airkey logo putting on, so you can customize your own branding. On the ceiling, you can see LED strip light embedded into the grid. It's dust-proof, and the BFU on top provides clean air into the clean room. With OSM and EPCM, we provide modular clean rooms for global high-end customers. So contact us for your project. See you.